Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you change of pronoun in indirect speech. There are three types of pronoun. Generally, you change the pronoun only personal pronoun. You have to change only personal pronoun in indirect speech. There are three types of personal pronoun. Number first is the first person pronoun. Second is the second person pronoun, and third is the third person pronoun. I see in this graph that is the first person pronoun. First person pronoun. I, me, my. Be, our, us. That is the first person pronoun. And always the first person pronoun is changed according to the reporter. All these six pronouns are always changed according to the reporter. According to the reporter. The second is second person pronoun. Second person pronoun. You and your. That is always it is changed according to the object. These two pronoun you and your is changed according to the object. According to object. And the third person pronoun is third person pronoun is he, him, his. She, her. They, them, their. And it and its. It is 10 pronoun, and these 10 pronouns you have not to change, because that is the third person pronoun. It is not changed. No change. No change. मतलब कि जो पहला प्रोनाउन है फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन आई, मी, माई, बी, आवर, अस, ये हमेशा आपको रिपोर्टर के अनुसार बदलने हैं. सेकंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन जो होता है यू और योर, इसे आप ऑब्जेक्ट के अनुसार बदलते हैं. थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन ही, सी, इट, दे, मीन्स ही, हिम, हिज, शी, हर, इट, इट्स, दे, देम, दियर. ये 10 प्रोनाउन में नो चेंज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप देख सकते हैं, जैसे लिखा है राम सेड to me, I help you. That is the example. Ram is reporter and me is object. Now you will write that Ram told, because said to is changed into told. Ram told me that in place of comma and inverted comma. I, as I told you, I is the first person pronoun and it is changed according to reporter. Reporter is Ram. So, he, you have to write here he, because Ram is masculine gender, and it's according to its gender, it here it will be written he. Help is changed into helped. That is the change of tense, as I have taught you in previous video. You is the second person pronoun and it is always changed according to object, means me. Thus indirect of this sentence will be Ram told me that he helped me. Second example, he said to my mother, comma noted, comma, you gave me a pen. Now he, once again, he is reporter and my mother. The object of this sentence is my mother. Now you are going to change into indirect speech. he told me, he told my mother. That in place of comma and inverted comma. You is the second person pronoun and it is changed according to object. Your object is my mother, then you have to write here she, because mother is feminine gender. Then you have to change the tense. Gave is the past indefinite tense and past indefinite tense is changed into past perfect tense. Then you have to write here had given. Had given. Me is the first person pronoun and it is changed according to reporter. Your reporter, in this sentence your reporter is he. Then you have to write here him, because me is the objective form of the sentence and you have to write me him in place of me, a pen. The indirect of this sentence will be he told my